Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for EWT. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here, which is obvious to spot here in the monthly. We can also go ahead and plot this swing low. This is the lowest point prices reached. And on our most recent price action, we can go ahead and plot this swing low, which is obvious to spot here on the monthly. Now, we also notice a key level right here. So we can go ahead and plot it. As we notice multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. So, here in the weekly, we can see more clearly how prices reacted to these levels, and we can go ahead and plot more levels right here, and we can go ahead and draw in a zone. As we see price come up, hit, reverse, acting as resistance, and we notice reactions acting as support. We see a fake out from the level, and we see the long wicks rejecting the level. Now, we can also notice key levels right here. As price comes up, hits, reverse, acting as resistance. We see resistance here. So, multiple reactions, and we also notice reactions to the same key level acting as support from these long wicks here. Now, on this monthly key level, we can go ahead and fine tune it to the top of our candle close here. So, what do we notice? We see a key level right here. And let's go ahead and extend that all the way. So, we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance, which is obvious to spot here on the weekly chart. Now, if we move to more recent price action, we can go ahead and plot a key level right here, as this is our last point of support. We can go ahead and plot a key level right here. As we can notice, price came up, hit, we had a little rejection, this level acting as resistance. We notice over here the same level acting as support, and we notice the same level here acting as support. We can also go ahead and plot a key level here, which is our last point of supply. The key level acting as resistance as price comes up, hits, and reverses. We notice rejections to the same key level acting as resistance. And we also notice to the left multiple reactions acting as support. So, zooming out, what else can we notice? We see another key level right here. Let's go ahead and draw in a zone. And extend this all the way across. We notice multiple reactions acting as resistance, resistance, support, support, and support, which is obvious to see here on the weekly. So, zooming out, these are all the key levels plotted on the monthly and weekly time frame for EWT. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.